Hello, guys. I just thought you could be interested in this. Um, it's about a typical problem in the T5 where the cable going from this control to the heater box inside gets twisted down here. So, what I did, and I didn't see in any of your videos, it's add a little tube to guide the cable. Okay, you see here the cable. This cable usually gets twisted because the insertion point to the cable is too far away. So it has like 5 centimeters to get twisted. So I added a plastic tube here. I will show you later details on this tube. So now it gets not twisted. And it works very nicely. There is a little chamfer here at the entrance of the tube. This is a plastic tube, 10 millimeters diameter, a few like 3 centimeters long, and it's fixed with a cable tie here to a little plastic piece that I designed with Onshape. I printed with a 3D printer and I glued here with some acetone. I will show you the design of this piece in a few moments, but maybe you want to see the operation again of the cable. All right. So here is the design with Onshape. You can see the tube here. It's 2 pieces, right? This is a piece of tube that you can find anywhere. It doesn't matter so much. It's 10 millimeters in diameter and about 30 or something millimeters long. And down here you can see this shape, plastic. It has a nice calculated angle so that it fits and aligns perfectly with the plastics of the controller. So you have to print this piece here in yellow with ABS. If you print it with ABS, then you're able to glue it with acetone to the control case, which is also ABS, and it gets glued super strongly. Okay, look at YouTube for videos about how to glue these plastics together. It's a very strong bond. All right, so this is the piece alone without the tubing. Okay. And this is the little chamfer that you can do with any kind of file or whatever. It's just for the cable not to get stuck here at the entrance. You just need a little bit of chamfer here. All right.